It's a rainy day. Yeah, rain just start fall. So I'm gonna go and make some fish tea. I know it's early, but I'm about to fry some fish. And I found some small fish in it that can make fish tea. I think this is a Dr. Fish. I think so. I'm not sure what this one name, but it'll go in a pot. Put this in a pot. I go and bubble up. Yeah. Don't put any of the fish in there yet, but soon I will. Alright? And then I'll show you the finished product. Alright. Putting the fish in the pot. I leave them till the very last to put in so that they won't crush up too much. Straight fish tea. Straight fish tea. You mean? One more for the road. Yeah. Alright. Make it go and bubble down now. And then I'll come back. How me look so far, guys? How me look so far? So this is the finished product. About to have some. Yeah. Not bad. Can't go on. Thanks for watching.